Welcome to the How to Add Categories tutorial. Today, you'll learn how to add categories to your website. To start adding categories to your website, log into your website's backend. Upon logging in, you'll see the dashboard. Navigate to the left side of the screen where the Products menu tab appears. Hover over this and click Categories. Now you'll be brought to the category screen. In here, you can add or edit existing categories. To add a category, enter in its information on the left side of the screen. Click Add New Category. And you will now have successfully created a category for your store. You've now learned how to add categories to your store.